I think for me, at least, for the listener to your presentation, you need to make it clear at the beginning why we call this ALU, ALU element. ALU, what is ALU element? You mentioned some fact, 1 million copy and so on, but you do not and show us something, and then this could be later on to the conclusion that this ALU, or in the table you show related to different type of human disease. This ALU could be found in many kind of gene, and it's make so far 10% of the whole genome nucleotide data, or volume of the nucleotide data. So if we got the overview or over characteristic, so I think you have in the introduction or in the background part, the discovery of the ALU element and some overview of the existence of ALU element in the genome, especially in the human genome, but also in some primates, so monkey and chimpanzee and so on. Then we have a more overview, and then you go to the role, the function of the ALU, and then the methodology, how to estimate the methylation process, and so on and so on, and the perspective, the problem to be studied and to be solved during the recent research, or in Vietnamese research related to some clinical diagnosis, disease diagnostic. So generally, you need to make it very precise about the knowledge, the present knowledge on an ALU element. We're starting with an ALU with some restriction enzyme. This is something related, to cut out, but in the diagnosis or in the determination of this ALU segment, they use another restriction enzyme also, make this more clear for us, for understanding all the process. So number one, why they call ALU, and what is ALU? Is a piece of DNA or it's belonging to the cis trans acting element, for gene regulation, and then where we can found it, how it looked like in the evolution, and then how to estimate, how to determine the rate of or to find the ALU, and how this will be methylated and related to different kind of disease related to gene expression. So this is better to make it more clear. In this case, I feel you give enough information, but this kind of information are more or less, let's say, it's raw. It's raw. It's not digested. So you need to digest to select only the most important information for the listener. Okay? Hello, Minh Nguyệt. And
yes.
And you got it. And Hà Nhung, you got it. That make it clear. If you got it too much information, and you put everything, and did my also everything into this assignment, the listener or the reader will be confusing. So make it clear, content, outcome, and then go step by step to summarize it in a form of a table to show us the how important the ALU element in the gene regulation, in the eukaryotic gene regulation, and especially in the diagnosis of different kind of disease. Yeah, this is very important information, but you need to summarize. Okay. Thank
Yes, it's
you.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So stay on that and do